Hello my friend, this is NAVIFORCE watch. Look this beautiful butterfly watch. Yes, this is the model I will introduce you today. The model number is NF5011L. First of all, look at the data about this watch on the screen. And let's have a close to see this dial. And we can see this is a sunrise patterns textured on to make this dial, and on this right side this is a very big butterfly. This special for this watch, so we call this is the butterfly watch. And for the indesx, we can see it is combined to the moon, the stars, and something crystal diamonds to make into the indesx. It's very colorful and very fashionable. And at 12 o'clock position, it's our brand logo. And then it's very outer and thick dial. The thickness is very thin for this model, and the crown is small. Use the punk shape. Okay, and the band we use is the Millennium stainless steel band. It's very soft and popular in the recent years because it's the color and can make with the very colorful colors, and it's very soft and comfortable to wear. I will try it on the wrist for you to have a look. Okay, welcome back. Here is the wristwatch on my wrist. My wrist is 14 centimeter, and this it's a very well fit Millennium strap. It can very close to your skin and make you very cool, the feeling when in the summer. It's very cool. And the dial, it's a little big, I want to say, but it's very nice because I like this very big butterflies on the dial. And okay, actually we have 5 colors for this model. I will show you them all. These are 5 colors here. Just now I have shown you this rose gold strap combine the silver dial, and we got 3 rose gold strap this model but different colors of the dial. This is the silver one, and these 2 the Millennium strap is totally the same but different is only the dial color. On my left side is the red color dial, and on my right hand it's the rose gold dial, and those all rose gold. And then this is the red one, and this red one is our best sell in our store. And please look at here. Here is the plastic to protect the strap. When you buy and got the watch, you can find this is a very good protection, but no afraid of any other problem because this is only a protection. You can pick it out and then it will become like this soft Millennium strap. Okay, then it's the last 2 color. This is the light black color. The strap and the die is light black, but only the case is the rose gold color, and the crown is also the rose gold color. Look at the dial. 3 hands, and the our and the mini hands made into a leaf shape. The leaf, like the tree, from the tree, the leaf shapes. Last one is the navy color. Actually, it's more like the navy color. It's also a very fashion color. Combine the rose gold case. Yes, for women's style, I'm sure you will like this blue color and also the rose gold color. Okay, this is all for today for this woman's watch. If you want to know other more models, just let your messages under our videos, so I will make the video for you for the review next time. Okay, that's all for today. Bye, see you next time.